Hi guys, hope you are well and happy Sunday. So regarding your question, Philad, so I'll be using this, uh, this short video to show you how to purchase international number, from around 25 plus, international number from using Skype, right? So I believe you have a Skype already. If you don't have Skype, sign up on Skype, and is as easy as like signing up on Facebook or any other social media platform. So this is Skype. So you can use Skype to call international number. You can use Skype to send an international number. Right. I used Skype a lot when I was very big in sourcing. When I you know I got a lot of client from Indeed. Indeed is another opportunity for you to to also get a job, especially international gig. But the problem is that if you are not well skilled, so how do you want to get a client? And that's the reason why you guys have to conclude on what you want to do. Where I'm still available now to teach you, but I have to make my time to be, you have to make good use of my time. That's why I need 5 people to be ready to pay so that we can kickstart the web development. Web development, it's a lifelong skill that it can never saturated, right? It can never be died. It will continue emerging, right? So that this is Indeed. I use Skype number a lot I use Indeed. When I use Indeed to get clients, I have a lot of clients from Indeed, international clients. And what I've noticed using when you most of these international clients is that, especially on Indeed, is that they will ask you for, because what I do on Indeed is that I change my location to US or UK for me to be able to get jobs that are from that location. That's how social media work. It is what social media will be showing you. You know, they'll be populating your feed based on your location. So when you change your location to US, UK, or something, another country, they'll be showing you job from those countries, right? So when I got some of those people, they want to interview me, right? And they will say like I should send my US number or UK number, and this is where I get my number from. Indeed, I mean Skype. So this is Skype. To get your, I'll be showing you 3 things on Skype, for further exploration. So you go to, this is at the bottom of my phone. You can see call, a chat, call, and phone, contact, and today. You go to phone, right? When you go to phone, you will see international call subscription, Sky credits, and buy number, right? Let me start with international call subscription. So it's just like 1, 2, or 12 months calling plan. That subscription, right? That you can use to make an unlimited call, right? So, and this is actually a very great subscription for those people that make a lot of international calls. So that is for international call subscription. But international call credits is also for call anyway. It's also allow you to pay as you go. As you are making call, you are paying. Instead of saying okay, I want to, instead of doing like, okay, in 12 months, paying in a bulk, or I want to make a call for 12 months, but no matter how long I make a call, I don't want my credit to finish. That's where subscription come in. Even though you have to have a fixed minutes call, right? You have to have a fixed minutes call. Say I want to be calling 30 minutes for the next 30 days. So you can do subscription. So they will give you subscription such that it doesn't matter how many times you call, your subscription is still there and it still lasts for 30 days. Just like we are having data now, when you do 30-day data, they give you download a lot of things and all of that. Sometimes you might not 30 gigs, sorry, you might not even finish it. So that's a subscription. But credits is like pay as you go. Just like if you are using your credits to browse, maybe you buy 1,000 credits, you are using it to browse. They will be cutting the credits as you are surfing the internet. So Skype credits allow you to pay as you go. So you can purchase some Skype credits and then call wherever you want to at a very low rate. So it's actually a very good option if you need to make a few calls and only want to pay for what you use for each month. That is Skype credits. And as you can see it here, to buy Skype credit, you just come here, then you pick on the if I'm using my Nigerian number, I use my Nigerian number to sign up. So that's why it has automatically provided some of the option I have, right? So I can pick 1,980. I can pick. So this will not finish until you make a call that make it to finish, right? It will not finish just a month. It's not a monthly or something subscription. So 10,000, anything you like. So this is credit as well. You can purchase and pay as you make call, right? So, and this is the main question: Skype phone number, Skype number. So this is it. It's as simple as that. You just can change your country. My country is currently set to United States, as you can see. My countries, yes. You can change from United States to, let's say, Colombia, right? You can see the number has changed. It's still loading. Maybe network. So let's say Estonia. My network is kind of very slow now. It's still loading. It's supposed to load and bring some of the number there. Finland. I think the network is very slow.